Do you often wonder where your money goes every month? Let's fix that. Today, I'll show you how to make a simple, powerful, monthly budget tracker in Excel. No fancy tools, just clean tracking. Let's get started. First, we merge cells B1 to E2 and name the file, Monthly Budget Tracker. Then, apply some basic formatting to make the header bold, centered, and visible. Next, we create the main columns, name, particulars, category, and amount. Adjust the column widths and apply formatting to keep everything organized. Now, let's add some example expenses like tuition fee, movie tickets, and other daily items. We also assign each to a category and format the table to look visually neat and attractive. To convert this into a table, press Ctrl+T and check the My Table Has Headers option. Now, select a table style that looks good. In cell G1, type the month name, for example, August. In G2, type your total monthly budget, like $25,000. Style it using bold fonts and colors to make it stand out. Select the entire data table, go to the Insert tab, and click Pivot Table. Choose Existing Worksheet and select G4 as the location in the pivot table. Add category to rows. Add amount to values. Then format the table to look clean and clear. Now in cells G13 to G15, write Amount Received Expenses Balance. You can calculate the balance using a formula like Sharper G13, G14. This will instantly show you how much of your budget is left. Let's visualize our expenses. Select the category and amount columns from the pivot table, go to Insert, Recommended Charts, and pick a pie chart. Drag the chart to the right, click the pencil icon, choose colors, and select the one you like. I chose blue. Resize the chart and adjust labels for clarity. Your tracker's ready. You can now add new entries anytime. Just right-click and hit refresh. Watch as I enter RS $10,000 for tuition fees, and see how the pie chart and category totals update in real time. Your monthly expense tracker is now complete and fully working. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tools like this.